Hi guys. So a little bit of a different video, meaning I'm just not vlogging today. I wanted to show you something that I ended up getting from a great company. First, let me show you something that was so disappointing to me. If you guys remember how stressed out I was going to the dentist and finding out I had high blood pressure, like through the roof high blood pressure. They almost didn't want to see me that day or do anything with me because my blood pressure was through the roof because of the anxiety. Plus I just have high blood pressure. So I went to go get my flipper, my little partial thing for my tooth. This little thing readjusted because, by the way, this goes in like this and then pops up because I have a missing teeth here, missing teeth back there. Yeah, it's affected my life in a huge way. This was readjusted or like shaved down kind of thing, and it worked for a little while, and then I realized it no longer fit. It almost was like pushing down. This part here goes on the top of your mouth, so you pop it in like this and it should just click in, and then this tooth here, the spot there's nothing, would be this tooth here, that one. And that would have been good enough until I could actually get an implant in there, which will probably be never. They're too bloody expensive, okay? So now that that doesn't fit, I started thinking, wow, I'm just going to be smiling. You know, I mean, it's a good thing we're all wearing masks now, but what happens when we're not wearing them all the time and I want to wear a red lip, or I just want to feel better about myself and not have that big gaping hole. So I went to a company called Instasmile. I've seen these guys all over YouTube, I did some impressions. They send you an impression kit, which, one second and I'll figure out how to open this box and show you. They give you 2 of these, which is an impression. This is for the lower. I didn't do the lower. I have, you know, enough teeth down here that I'm not too concerned about my lower, to be honest. And for my upper, you take it like this without the plastic, of course. You put it in your mouth, and you bite down and you kind of mold it to your teeth. Before you do that, though, you have to put this in water, boiling water, for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, here we go. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I have blubber all over my face. Okay. I'll send it by email and see how I did. Why was I so nervous? I think I thought my teeth were going to fall out. So you take it out for a certain amount of time, follow the directions, put this in, bite down, do what you got to do, read your instructions, people, because that's important, and take it out and let it sit. You take pictures of it, you send it into instasmile for them to either okay the pictures or tell you to redo the impression over again. Mine got okayed on the first try, which I was shocked. I was so happy with that because you see a lot of people that, you know, don't quite do it right or whatever. I literally sat and reread and reread and reread. So from the time that I sent the impressions in to the time I got the instasmile back, came in a box like this, and then inside a little case like this with your little instructions, how to clean them and whatnot. Okay. When I opened it, I was like, oh my God. So it came in a little thing like this. Smells like dental, like, you know, dental. Anyway, that's the case. Sorry about the ears dirty. I've been using it. This is the, let's say, snap-on veneer or click-in veneer, whatever, pop-on veneer. This is it. It looks weird, I know, but I'm going to show you. This is done with a 3D printer, apparently, and it shines like normal teeth. It has grooves like normal teeth. And then you can see where my missing tooth, this right here would be the one that's missing. So it's very sturdy. They've put some kind of composite in there and it'll be really, really sturdy. So I'm gonna show you my teeth. This here, these three here, that's bridge work. Those are also fake teeth. I haven't had great luck with my teeth. My teeth are a little bit yellow, but this here, don't know what that is. I think it's a cavity. So that's my teeth. Bottom ones need to be whitened a little bit. The color is classic white. I'm popping them in for you, clearly. Oh. And there we go. So, yeah, I'm talking with a little lisp, but it will go away. Bottom ones are a little bit yellow, but when I talk, you don't really notice that much. So it's going to take a little while to get used to, but when I do, look, oh my God. So I have teeth. I don't know if I should have got the bottom or not. I don't know, but because I have the impression, I might be able to do that later. I'm not sure. I will definitely be whitening the bottoms. You know, my whole teeth really, but I want to show you because how beautiful are they? I'm pretty happy, I have to say. Very, very easy to deal with. Great customer service. Sorry about the lisp, but it's bound to happen. I just got them. I haven't had a chance to wear them very much, so very easy to deal with. instasmile, and way more comfortable than my flipper, which goes on the top of your mouth, and then there's that big piece of plastic or composite that's at the top of your mouth. I love them. I love them. And I can smile again. Oh my God. I really love them a lot. So I highly recommend. They're, like I said, very, very easy to deal with customer service wise. The only downfall at all, out of all of it, is just the lisp. And it'll be gone within probably a couple days wearing them. You can eat with them, you can drink with them, you can do whatever with them. You clean them in Polident or brush them very gently, very, very gently with your toothbrush. Rinse with whatever, Listerine, whatever, and rinse them and put them back in the little case until the next time you wear them. I will be wearing these a lot. Of course, I'm still wearing a mask and everything, but I can't wait, to be honest. I can't wait to go out and smile at everyone, because I've been not smiling for how long now? It's honestly, I've gotten back a lot of confidence just wearing them even around the house. Matt thinks I'm insane because I can't stop smiling with them in. He laughs at me constantly. They're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. And I didn't have to pay $20,000. Anyway, I'm going to leave the information below. If you have any reason to want to get your teeth fixed, or even just, you know, if your teeth are hard to whiten, or you want quick instead of, you know, spending all the time and money on whitening, I highly recommend. They're beautiful. Like I said, I might get the bottoms because they're a little off color-wise, definitely. I drink coffee, you know. They're beautiful. I love them. They're amazing. I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. I love them so much. Like, when was the last time I smiled like that? I haven't. Oh, God. It's been years since I got that tooth pulled. Years. And when I did, it was so heartbreaking. It took my self-esteem to a level where it had never been before. I've got that back. I'm really, really happy with them. They're beautiful. I think they're the perfect color for me. You can get Hollywood white too, which is like, bam, in your face white, but you know, you'd have to get top and bottom to make them match, really, unless you had perfect teeth, and why would you? You know what I mean? Look at her, gorgeous. So I'm gonna go smile at a bunch of people now. I just want to let you know that they're beautiful and I highly recommend them.